In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow and save companies on Glassdoor. Tracking employers you care about helps you stay on top of reviews, ratings, salary ranges, and new job postings all in one place. We'll walk through the process from sign in to viewing your saved list, so you can keep an organized watch list without any confusion. First, open Glassdoor in your web browser or launch the mobile app and sign into your account. Being signed in ensures anything you save is stored to your profile and will sync across devices. Next, use the search bar to type the name of the company you want to track. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear. Pick the best match, and don't worry if there are multiple results with similar names. You can refine by location or industry once you're on the results page. Now, click the correct company from the search results to open its Glassdoor profile. This page is the company's home base on Glassdoor, with tabs for overview, reviews, salaries, interviews, and jobs. Take a quick glance to confirm you're on the right profile by checking the logo, location, and any identifying details that match the employer you had in mind. Quick note before we continue. If you need the website or the mobile app, there's a link at the very top of the description for easy access to the official Glassdoor site and the app download. On the company profile page, look for the follow or save button. Depending on your device or app version, it might appear near the top of the page, alongside the company name, or as an icon like a star or a bookmark. Click it once. You'll know it worked when the button changes state to indicate the company is saved, often switching to following or saved. This confirms the company has been added to your favorites, and Glassdoor can start surfacing updates from that employer in your feed. Finally, to see your full list, go to your profile and select following. Here you'll find every company you've saved, making it simple to review their latest updates, compare opportunities, or remove any you no longer want to track. That's it. You can now easily track your favorite companies on Glassdoor and keep everything organized in one place. If this was helpful, drop a like and check the link in the description. Thanks for watching.